Hello guys, today we are going to talk about how to gain 4,000 watch hour for your YouTube monetizations. Well, there are many ways of gaining 4,000 watch hour, but this tactic right here, it is possible to get uh, 4,000 watch hour within 7 days. So if you use it correctly and you follow all the steps, this will help you to get your YouTube monetized as soon as you complete all the requirements. So today we only talk about the watch hour only. So let's do this. First, this is a browser. I'm using this one. This browser right here, what you're gonna do, you go to this tab, all right? So you can first clear all the history of your browser. Let's say maybe you've been using YouTube on this browser, so all you have to do, you go to this setting right here, this three dot, and then you come down here to clear the history, this one, clear browsing data. So you can click this one. So here it will tell you that all times, like if you found that the time range is last hour or 24 hour or 7 days or last week, all you have to do is that put it to all time, because we want to clear all of these things in advance. But if you are on basic right here, what you have to do, you go down here, you go to all times. So then you click clear data, because you do not want anything, you do not want this browser to remember all the information that we've been using in this particular browser, because we are here to watch to get the watch hour that we are looking for from YouTube. So now it is clear. So next thing you have to do is that you need to close it, okay, and then reopen your browser again. Okay, now we are there. So the next step that you're gonna do, you make sure that you go direct again to this three dot and then look for this thing called incognito. Okay, if you are using Chrome's, it said private, but for this one it said incognito in window. So all you have to do is that you click this and then you start typing youtube.com, right? So that's youtube.com. Okay, now when your YouTube open up, all you have to do, you have to search for your channels. Like my channel is called Merchant. I have to click this thing and then go direct into filters and then go direct into the channel. Okay, so this is the channel. I have to click the channel and then go direct into my playlist. All right, I believe you already know how to create playlists, and that's why I jump right into playlist. So we have videos right here, we have playlists right here, we have community and others. So what we're looking for, it is playlist. All right, so under playlist, all you have to do, you click the playlist which has the video that can allow you to be played within an hour, within 1 hour. So we are going to take this thing, let's say YT watch hour. So I'm gonna pause this. Okay, now it say 0, this one, this is a video, and when you look at this video, it's running like 1 hour and 8 minutes, as you can see. This one I just made it only for watch hour alone. So what you're gonna do right now, after you know that you have a video that contain 1 hour, as you see, I post this. I posted already. So what I'm gonna do, I go to setting right here. Under setting, we go to quality, and the quality you put it to 144p, so that if you have internet which is very slow, you make sure that the speed can be stable when playing the video on your playlist. So we put the quality to be 144. The next thing that you have to do is that you go to playback speed. There are two way here, all right, but we are going to use this. We have to put 2, so it move faster. All right, so a 1 hour video that play for 32 minutes, it will make you 1 hour. All right, so we have to play 2. The speed is 2. So let's try to play this one. So you can see that it is running faster, you know, as you can see here, it is running faster. Okay, next thing that you have to understand is this. All right, when you are doing this on the playlist, first you make sure that you mute it, because it's gonna play, so you're gonna hear a lot of sound on the system, and it will make your computer to be slow. Let's say it. Let me bring you this. Okay, we have the manager tab, task manager, this one. Okay, you can see that the CPU, if the CPU is around 90 or 80 there, it means that your computer can stuck. Okay, so you make sure that you know the CPU percentage, so that your computer cannot crash. So let's keep it away for now. So now we have to play this video, and the next thing that we are gonna do, we go direct into this particular tab right there, and then we are gonna duplicate this video. All right, so we can right click on this one, and then we go to tab. So you can open 10 tab, 10 tab, like now 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, as long as your internet can accommodate that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. So remember, depending on the speed of your internet, but mine is a bit faster. All right, so I can open like 15 or 20, but it is good that you put it to 10 tab. Okay, then you have to click each of these so that the video can play, that can keep on playing. So 0, then again, as you can see, it is moving again, 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 okay, again, again, and then again. So now look, we open like 10 tapped. Okay, so you make sure that you can play this for whole days if you want to, because let's say it 1 hour can play for 32 minutes, and then it will make you let's go to calculation right there. Let me bring one of the codes. Okay, because this one you can multiply it by 2. Let's say it is 60 minutes. Okay, 60 minutes time 2. Okay, time 2 is equal to 120 minutes. You see this within 1 hour. If this video play for 1 hour, it will bring you 120 minutes. So 120 minutes divided by 60 is equal to 2 hours. All right, so it will bring you 2 hours. Just remember 2 hours for only one tab for this. What about if 2 hours multiplied it by 10? It will bring you 20 hours within 1 hour. So remember that. So what about 20 within 1 hour, you can gain like around 20 hours. So which is nice. Let's multiply it by 4. Is equal to 80. If you play the video for 4 hours, you will gain around 80 hour watch hour on your computer for your YouTube. So which means that you do not need anybody to watch your video. You can also do it on your own to reach all the requirements that the YouTube needs. So up to here, if you can possibly follow all the steps that I show you, it will help you to get monetized within no time. So the other tips that I can give you right now is how to upload YouTube shorts. So the YouTube short, let me go direct into YouTube while those tabs are playing. Let me go there. Okay, now YouTube short, sorry, I think I misspelled that, sorry, youtube.com. This is how you can gain 1,000 subscribers within 1 day or 2 days, depending on the video that you are uploading, depending on the shorts. Okay, because YouTube already introduced shorts that we can upload short video to in order for us to gain more subscribers, because they can motivate us. As you can see, let's say now if I click this thing and I subscribe, immediately the person can get subscription. But since I didn't log in because I'm using this thing for watch hour, so those are the short. You can follow the same way they are doing. So I'm telling you, people will subscribe to your channel without taking any second thoughts of hitting that red button right here. Even if you didn't tell them to subscribe on your channel, they will definitely subscribe to it. So shorts are good for subscription. So do this thing. It will not take you a week to gain maybe 1,000 or 4,000 or 3,000 subscribers, as long as you are consistently uploading short videos. And short video only contain 5 or 3 or 4 or up to 30 seconds. It is not that hard, you know. So what you're gonna do if you want to, let's say you do not have any type of software to edit your video, but there's a way that you can use online. We have something called Canvas. Canva.com. Okay, Canva.com. It is a website where it allows you to edit any format for your platform. Let's say if you are using computers, you can do 1920 by 1080. But for this thing, you can use it for shorts. Okay, short, it is only 1080 by 1920, and you can download any video that somebody else download, or you can create your own, and then you edit it direct on this thing. All you have to do is that you need to sign up with your Gmail or with your email address or any type of email address that you are using. So please do what I just show you right now. It will help you to get all the subscription that you are looking for, and also the watch hour that you need to fulfill in order for YouTube to accept you on the YouTube partner. This is what you can do. Simply follow the step, and then you are good to go. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye bye.